Buying a high-end laptop with an Nvidia RTX 4090 graphics card inside generally means that you're aiming for the best performance possible for gaming or for other intensive tasks like 3D rendering. If you're interested in taking your gaming PC everywhere and don't want to lag far behind a desktop setup, one of these laptops should be the way to go. So in this video, we've composed a brief consumer guide and reviewed the top 5 RTX 4090 gaming laptops currently available. For more information on the products, we've included links in the description box down below. Let's get started. Acer Predator Triton 17X. The new Predator Triton 17X, it's packed full of the latest and greatest Intel and Nvidia specifications. It's a device squarely aimed at those who love high-end gaming, but don't want an extremely thick machine sitting on their desk. There's a lot of good here, from the excellent mini LED screen through great connectivity and typing to the overall presentation. This Predator Triton 17 comes with 17-inch IPS mini LED display, with a resolution of 2560 by 1600 pixels, 250 Hz refresh rate. It optimizes visuals with its display's tall 16:10 aspect ratio, has a useful array of ports, and boasts one of the most compact chassis of any 17-inch. The laptop is powered by an Intel Core i9-13900HX processor, along with an Nvidia GeForce RTX 4090 GPU, allowing you to play AAA games with ease. Beyond that, you get a huge 64GB of RAM and a 2TB SSD for storage. Besides, the keyboard is among the better ones on the list, tactile and snappy with a well-defined actuation port. There's no numpad, but you get customizable keys like on the Scar. Overall, if you're looking for an extremely powerful desktop replacement that's great, but not unwieldy, is absolutely maxed out with premium features, and is as tough as nails, then the Acer Predator Triton 17X should be right up there on your wish list. Lenovo Legion Pro 7i. There aren't many gaming laptops that check all the boxes the Lenovo Legion Pro 7i does, especially not while keeping a somewhat reasonable price. Lenovo's latest gaming machine is a phenomenal choice in almost every way. Starting with the terrific performance delivered by the Intel Core i9-13900HX processor, along with Nvidia GeForce RTX 4090 laptop graphic cards capable of using 175 watt of power. You also get up to 16GB of RAM and 1TB of SSD storage. Any modern game will run on this laptop without any issues and at high frame rates. On top of that, a large 16-inch IPS display with 2560 by 1600 pixels delivers a fantastic experience for gaming, especially with the 240 Hz refresh rate. Gaming laptops aren't always known for their premium design, but that's something else Lenovo nails here. The laptop has a beautiful metal finish all around, and it feels fantastic. Overall, while higher-end models get a bit expensive, the Lenovo Legion Pro 7i is pretty close to a perfect laptop for almost any gamer out there, as long as you have the budget for it. MSI Stealth 17 Studio. If you want a big laptop that makes good use of all the power, the Stealth 17 Studio is a beastly machine with a big display. This laptop is focused around balance of performance and portability. It starts with top-tier performance afforded by the Intel Core i9-13900H processor, along with an Nvidia GeForce RTX 4090 graphic cards, powering the most demanding gaming experiences you can get with no issues. What's more, you'll get a massive 64GB of RAM and a 2TB of SSD storage. Along with that, the Stealth Studio 17 has a huge 17.3-inch IPS display with a resolution of 2560 by 1440 pixels, 240 Hz refresh rate, and an incredibly sharp 4K resolution, delivering fantastic visual experiences for gaming and content creation. The MSI laptop's black case is largely free of accents, with only the manufacturer's logo standing out from the metal display lid due to having a different surface texture. The keyboard frame and the base also consist of metal. Additional components such as the side parts, display frame, and ventilation cover behind the display are made of plastic. Everything looks consistent, and above all, solidly constructed. Overall, the Stealth 17 Studio is great for gamers or creators who want the most performance and high-end features that don't care about paying a premium price. ROG Strix Scar 18. The fully loaded Strix Scar 18 is a true powerhouse and maybe even a desktop replacement. It features some of the fastest components available in a gaming laptop, with a powerful CPU and GPU. These 18-inch gaming laptops are designed to sit on your desk and stay there. The Strix 18 has an 18-inch QHD 2560 by 1600 ROG Nebula panel, with 100% DCI-P3 and sRGB color gamut coverage, and a 240 Hz refresh rate. It also came with adaptive sync and Dolby Vision. With room for an Intel Core i9-13980HX processor and an Nvidia GeForce RTX 4090 graphic cards with 32 GB of RAM and 2 TB of SSD storage, the Strix 18 promises top-of-the-line performance. Shocking nobody, the laptop takes the power of its high-end components and channels it all into a supremely fast machine. Apart from looking fantastic, the keyboard sports a generous layout, including a spacious full-sized numpad and full-sized arrow keys. Overall, the Strix 18 is the best Asus gaming laptop for those chasing frame rates no matter what. The power under the hood here is unrivaled in the current lineup and offers incredible and reliable performance as a result. Razer Blade 18. The Blade 18 gaming laptop is a testament to Razer's commitment to delivering premium gaming experiences. With its stunning metal finish and sleek design, this laptop is a head-turner and one of the best 18-inch laptops. The 18-inch QHD Plus display sits in a chassis that's much closer to what you'd expect from a 16-inch laptop, and its 240 Hz refresh rate has plenty of room to handle the RTX 4090's power. 6 speakers with 3 smart amps pump out quality sound even when you aren't wearing a quality gaming headset, and the 5-megapixel camera can be used for streaming. It even has IR capabilities for some extra security. Under the hood, the Blade 18 boasts a powerful Intel Core i9-13950HX processor and the latest RTX 4090 GPU, ensuring top-notch performance for high-end gaming and demanding content creation tasks. When it comes to RAM and storage, Razer does not disappoint, as the laptop is packed with 32 GB of DDR5 RAM and a 2 TB of SSD storage, which are more than enough for most users. Per-key RGB lighting for the keyboard is customizable, and overall you get a comfy feel with N-key rollover for a snappy touch. The touchpad is huge, there are lots of ports, and the black finish can fit in pretty much anywhere. Overall, the Blade 18 is the biggest and most powerful gaming laptop from Razer. It's incredibly expensive, but it represents the pinnacle of modern laptop design.